Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple book in Maya. Okay, and also in the next video I will going to show how to unwrap it and how to add the color and the texture, so on. Okay, so let's start the video. So I'll just take a cube. Okay, it's a cube. So I'll just bring this cube exactly above the grid line, this grid line. Okay, means here. So take the scale, let me make it bigger on the x-axis and z-axis. Okay, and I'll make little bit smaller. Okay, so this looks good for me. Done. So let me check. Okay, fine. So now what we need to do is, so I'll add around, select the face of three side. Don't select one side of the face. Okay, leave it one side, then press Ctrl E and give the thickness around minus zero point 0.2 and the offset like minus zero point 0.2. Okay, it's too big. 0.1. Okay, 0.1, 0.08. Let me type 0.08 or okay, 0.1, 1.15. Okay, it's too big. 0.12. Okay, this looks good for me. So you can see here, this one looks good. Okay, so now you can press scale and scale it like this. So that's it. So we got the kind of pages, this will be our pages. Okay, and this is the thickness of the book. Fine. So now what I'll do, I'll come for the object mode, press Alt Shift and right click, add, go to the edge loop settings. I'll take multiple, 3 is good. I'll add 3 edge loop over here. Done. So now what I'll do, I'll select this 3 edge loop and I'll just move it like this. So it gives a bit curve over like this. Okay, so understood now. So our book is ready. So it's very simple. You can do it in within 2 minutes, right?